Nettle stings. Stinky nettle. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Stinky furry animals. These animals sprays a stinky liquid when enemies get close. This animal blasts it if enemies get close. It also makes stinky green slime. This animal shoots a stinky liquid at its enemies. This animal makes stinky liquid to keep all the animals away. It also pees on food. It doesn't eat right away. The smell may keep all the animals away. This animal fights over mice. It uses stinky pee to keep all the away. Stinky birds. This bird eats leaves. Tiny living things in its body break down the leaves. This way of eating makes it smell bad. This bird eats dead animals. It throws up when enemies get close. Its throw up smell very bad. Stinky pools. This frog sprays a hot, stinky liquid when enemies get close. The liquid is so hot that it can kill some enemies. This bug is too slow to run away. It makes a stinky liquid when enemies get close. All the stinky animals. This turtle is also called stink pot. It smells bad when enemies get close. This frog smells like rotten onions when enemies get close. Good and stinky. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive.